My name is 𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗦𝗏. We've never really seen any true Caribbean stories being told outside of, outsiders telling our stories. So I think it's about time that we show that we also have the potential and the skill, the ability to tell our own stories in our own way, and that they can be relatable to the whole world.
Hey guys, this is 𝗦𝗧𝗏𝗦𝗏. Yes, one of the writers for 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗦. I'm a cultural laborer here on the island, and I've done a lot of what could be considered projects on the island. What I can tell you about the project in its entirety, I can tell you the inspiration is basically this curiosity of getting to know myself via my community and via my islands and the goings-ons, the daily goings-ons of the island.
Everybody knows Aruba for being a vacation spot, a touristic area, but they don't know the people as much as they should or they could through the stories that we live. So 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗦 is basically a channel where we can tell the stories of Aruba, deep within Aruba, that exist within the society, that reflect the pains, the suffering that we go to, hidden behind the one happy island.
That's basically the inspiration, and to propagate the culture, that's one, and to also, I would say, promote and push and motivate the next generation, and especially those who are interested in arts and culture, and especially filmmaking.
𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗦 came actually based upon this root idea. How can we tell the stories of Aruba that are unheard and make them relatable to the world?
Why is a project like this important to realize? Like I said, I find it adds value to the culture of the island. Apart from the fact that we know, we have literature that talks about the island, and you have other, I would say, film projects that illustrate the island from a certain point of view. I feel this is important because this adds another dimension to all of that.
We have a lot of talented people here, a lot of talented writers, a lot of talented actors, performers, and it's about time that we start seeing our own people, our own Caribbean people, doing bigger things out there. We see them in the baseball, in sports, in soccer. We see them in almost a lot of other disciplines, but in the arts, there's so much potential that is untapped.
Support this particular program, support this particular platform, because it is very, very, very important and necessary for our island, and to propagate our culture and to make people aware of the fact that we're not just a tourist trap.